Okay, so this is what it is. So after that, we basically want to get the idea. Okay, so the thing is that we will going to use YouTube tools, and here you can see we have a plenty of other tools as well, which you can use like blog tools, rewriting tools, SEO tools, and you can just check all of these tools here. Some are free, some are paid, but if we just talk about getting idea, okay, so to get the idea, of course, if you will just going to see in the gravity, right, this tool is not free. I suppose you can see YouTube idea and content planner is not free for now, but earlier it was free, but now they have put that in the paid version, but that is not the problem. So the best thing which we can do is to take the help of ChatGPT. So in case if you don't know what ChatGPT is, so ChatGPT is a AI chatbot. Just search for ChatGPT, click on enter button, go to chatgpt.com, go to this tool, and in case if you don't see anything here, like in your case, if you're totally new, you can simply click on the sign up button. Okay, and you can just sign up for free. Just put your email, sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, whatever you want to. Okay, but in my case I already have the account, so I will simply go to chatgpt.com. Okay, so just go to chatgpt.com, and then here whatever you will going to write, ChatGPT will just going to give you the response in written. Okay, so which is the very interesting thing about it. So it's a very powerful tool. It can even help you to create AI tools and plenty of other things. Okay, suppose I just write here hi, so in return, it will just going to give us the response. Hi there, how I can assist you today? Okay, and the best thing about this ChatGPT tool is that it is completely, powerful. Okay, and it also remembers the past history. Suppose if I just going to write, hey, uh, how many states US has? Question mark. It will say 50 states. Now just see if I just write here name them. Okay, so my intention for ChatGPT is to write the name of the 50 states, but here I'm just about to tell you that it is very powerful. It can even understand the common sense that if you in here we are talking about United States. Okay, so if I will going to write here name them, so it will also going to name the 50 states. So basically I just want to say it can also use the common sense. It can also understand our previous history. So it's a very powerful AI chatbot tool, and in case if you don't know about this AI tool, like this tool is created by OpenAI and about the AI concepts. Okay, but you don't have to do anything with that, but I can also guide you that in case if you're interested. So you can just search for Kuku courses. Okay, click on enter button, and then you will see this kukucourses.com website. Just go to this website. Okay, and after you will just go to this website, which we have is the Kuku courses. So here you can just click on this watch free courses, click on this, and then just search here OpenAI, click on enter button. Okay, and then scroll down, and here you will see this OpenAI guide, prompt engineering, chat GPT, Delhi, etc. Now if you just open this particular free course, it's totally free. Okay, do not have to worry about anything. If you will going to click on this play button, but here you can see OpenAI is a company that has created chat GPT, Delhi models, and their API as well. Now what is the concept, and in case if you want to understand AI concepts in more detail, so I will suggest you this guide. Everything has been explained from the scratch, from the complete beginners. Even 15 years old kid can understand whatever taught here in this course. We were going to cover like what is AI, okay, and plenty of other concepts. You can see what is OpenAI, AI, and plenty of other concepts. Now if you click on the start learning button, you can totally enroll it for free. You can see and you can watch all the lectures. Just simply click on the play button now, guys, and watch the complete free course. Okay, and of course if you just go to courses, and even if you search for chat GPT, click on enter button, and you can also go ahead and select free courses here, and you can also watch other ChatGPT courses. Like you can use ChatGPT for data analytics. For blogging, you can use ChatGPT. For custom API, you can use ChatGPT. For if you want to build some AI tools inside your WordPress, so in that case also you can use ChatGPT. Okay, so plenty of things. You can see we have all these courses for free. Okay, so complete free tutorials you will going to get. If you want to use for email marketing, you can also use ChatGPT. For SEO also you can use ChatGPT. For affiliate marketing you can use ChatGPT. So similarly, you can even go to next pages, and you can see we have provided plenty of free and powerful courses for you for absolutely free. Okay, which you can watch and boost your knowledge. Okay, you simply have to go to any of the course, and you just have to click on the start learning button, and you will be ready to watch this complete free courses. Click on play button. Hey guys, boom. So this is how amazing it is. Okay, so make sure you just go to our home page, and you can click on watch free courses. Okay, and you will explore all the free courses we have in our website. So this is what I just wanted to tell you about ChatGPT. So here, if you will just go here, and if you click on this new chat, so you can also open one new chat. Okay, and now for whatever topic you want to generate, for example, I have written here in the chat gpt, because our purpose is to get the idea. Okay, so I'm expecting that if you already have the topic in the mind on which topic you will going to create video, so that's okay. But in case if you want to explore some more ideas and all, so you can use chat gpt for that. Okay, so for example, here I have written generate me an idea about fitness for my YouTube. Generate total 5 ideas. You can just write 10, 15, whatever you want. Okay, so this will just going to give you idea about on which topics you can create your video. Okay, so here you can see I have got too many ideas. You can just explore all of them, like top 5 healthy habits or anything. So I have chosen fitness. You can choose automobile maybe. Okay, or any particular topic on which you want to create video, or on which topics you are interested in. Okay, so I can just go with this one, 10 minutes full body workout for beginners. Okay, no equipment needed. And if I just copy this one like this from YouTube, you can choose any one of them. And if I go here, and here you will going to see this title and thumbnail ideas. Okay, so you just have to put the keyword on which you will going to create the video. Okay, and this tool will automatically going to optimize the title and thumbnail. Okay, so you just have to select that. Okay, and just go ahead and paste it. Okay, and click on create content. Okay, and now here you can see it will just further and filter out this topic in more details, like scrub your body in 10 minutes, unlock your fitness 10 minutes. Okay, and also it will just going to generate the thumbnail idea for you. So whatever you are interested with. Okay, so you can just choose any one of them, and I suggest you just open one new particularly new tab, and just go to this button and just search for Google Docs, or you can use whatever wherever you are interested. Okay, just we want to save something. Okay, for example, this tool has generated some title, so I can choose any one of them. No gym, no problem. 10 minutes full workout. Okay, wherever you go, so I can select this one. This looks kind of interesting for me. I can select this title and I can paste it here like this. Okay, so basically, what is this? This is title. Okay, now another thing we have is the thumbnail. So I will also going to put the thumbnail here as well. So you can just choose any one of the thumbnail. For example, a split image. Yes, this split image will going to work. That is the before and after. Generally people click this type of thumbnail more, so I will put this here. Okay, you can just make it bold, thumbnail bold. Okay, so we will going to use these things in future. So now, for now, you have got the idea on which topic you will going to create, and in case if you don't have any idea, you can use chat gpt for that. Okay,